Hello children, once again I am here to take your arithmetic class for standard 3. Today our topic is money, addition. Girls, we have already learned this chapter before, right? So let us begin the chapter with revision and we are going to learn a little bit of new things from this same chapter. Alright, so let's start the chapter money. What is money? We all know that money is a medium of exchange. We use money for buying goods. We express Indian money in terms of rupees and paise. We use P to write paise, RE to write rupee and RS to write rupees. We use a dot to separate rupees and paise. Alright? For example, if we write rupees 60 and 40 paise in figure, it will be rupees 60.40. Now, if we consider this amount, we can easily find out that 60 shows the rupees, then the dot separates the rupees and paise, and 2 digits after dot, that is 40, this shows paise. Alright girls, got it? Now let us learn about the relationship between rupees and paise. Always remember 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Alright. Now let us revise conversion of money. There are 3 main rules for conversion of money. Rule number 1. We know 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Hence, to convert any amount of rupees to paise, we multiply by 100 or add 2 zeros. And to convert paise to rupees, we remove the 2 zeros on the right. Let's have some example. Rupees 8. We have to convert rupees 8 into paise. So what we are going to do? We are simply multiply 100 with rupees 8. Okay. So it will become 800 paise, or we can add 2 zeros after 8. Then also we are getting 800 paise. The next example is 600 paise. We have to convert it to rupees. So we are going to remove the last 2 zeros and we are getting 6. So the answer is rupees 6. Alright. Now rule number 2. To convert rupees and paise into paise, we simply remove the point or dot. Example, rupees 20.25. We have to convert it into paise. So what we are going to do? We simply remove the dot. So we are getting 2025 paise means 2025 paise. Now let's see how we can calculate this. Rupees 20.25 means rupees 20 and 25 paise. Now as we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, so we are going to multiply by 100. So here rupees 20 into 100. So this will become 2000 paise. And now we are going to add 25 paise with 2000 paise. So it will become 2025 paise. So the answer of this sum will be 2025 paise. Do you understand, girls? Alright. Then move to rule 3. To convert paise into rupees, we simply put a point after 2 digits from the right. Example 1500 paise. So what we are going to do? We are going to remove the last 2 zeros from the right. So the answer will be rupees 15. Alright students, understood? Okay. Let's move to the next point, that is addition of money. Girls, the addition of money is very easy. As we have already done it in the class, we know that addition of money is addition of the numbers only. The only difference is we add rupees and paise separately. Alright? So let's do some examples. Example number 1. Add rupees 73.25 and rupees 16.30. So what we are going to do here, girls? Right. Here we have to write rupees and paise in 2 columns. We know rupees 73.25 means 73 rupees and 25 paise. Just like that, rupees 16.30 means 16 rupees and 30 paise. So we are going to write rupees and paise separately. Then first we add the paise because we always start adding from the right. And then we add rupees. So in this sum we can see that in paise column we are getting 25 paise plus 30. So if we start with the rightmost column, so we are getting 5 plus 0, it will be 5, and then 2 plus 3, it will be 5. And the next, in the rupees column, we are getting 73 and 16. So we will start with 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and then 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So the answer is rupees 89 and 55 paise, or we can write it like rupees 89.55. Okay, student, followed? So next, do some more examples. The question is add rupees 238.60 and rupees 53.75. How can we do that? We have to write rupees and paise in two columns. Girls, rupees 238.60 means 238 rupees and 60 paise. Just like that, rupees 53.75 means 53 rupees and 75 paise. So we have to write rupees and paise in two columns. Then we have to write the dots exactly one below another. And then we start adding from the right. So here in paise column, we have 60 paise and 75 paise. So 60 plus 75 paise equal to 135 paise. That's mean rupees 1 and 35 paise. Girls, we are going to write 35 over here. And what about rupees 1? Yes, we have done this kind of sums before. So rupees 1 will carry to the next column. So in rupees column, we are getting rupees 238 plus rupees 53 plus rupees 1 equal to rupees 292. So we can say that the answer of this sum is rupees 292.35. Alright. Girls, one thing you have to remember that always write the answer after the sum. It is very important. Please don't forget that. Alright. Add 340 rupees and 16 paise with 578 rupees and 25 paise. As discussed, we have to write the rupees and paise in two separate columns. So if we add these two columns separately, we are going to start with paise column. As we know that we always start addition from the right. So 6 plus 5 will be 11. We are going to write 1 over here and another one will be carried to the next column. So in the next column we are getting 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Done. Now move to the rupees column. In rupees column, the first column we are getting 0 plus 8 is 8. Next 4 plus 7, it's 11. So we are going to write 1 over here and another one will be carried to the next column. So in next column we are getting 3 plus 5 plus 1. That is 9. So the answer of this sum is rupees 918 and 41 paise. We can also write it like rupees 918.41 941. Alright. Now move to the next example. The question is rupees 15.75, rupees 10.88 and rupees 6.50. So we are going to follow the same rule. We are going to write the amounts in separate columns and we will start addition from right. So girls, I think you can do the sum independently, right? So please do yourself and then we will check the answer. Okay, so let's start. Done. The answer is rupees 33.13. Okay girls, let's do some more examples. The question is at rupees 55.50, rupees 22.25 and rupees 23.40. How can we do that? Right. We have to place the amounts in two columns. Then we have to write the dots exactly one below another. And we are going to start addition from the right. So in the rightmost column, we are getting 0 plus 5 plus 0 means 5. In the next column, we are getting 5 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we are going to write 1 over here and another one will carry to the next column. So in the next column, we are getting 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 11 once again. So we are going to write 1 over here and another one will be carried to next column. In the next column, we are getting 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. So it will be 10. So we are going to write 10 over here, but 0 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. So what is the answer of this sum? The answer is rupees 101.15, or we can say this is 101 rupees and 15 paise, or rupees 101 and 15 paise. All right. Now do the next sum. Add rupees 69.15 plus rupees 75.55 plus rupees 49.30. So the same thing we are going to do. If you add these amounts, we are going to get rupees 194. And girls, one thing please remember, as we know that 0 means nothing, you can keep writing this 2 zeros after point. Alright? Okay. Next. So now let us revise the whole chapter once again. Relationship between rupees and paise is 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. To convert rupees to paise, we simply have to put 2 zeros on the right. To convert paise to rupees, we put a dot after 2 digits from the right. Write the amounts in proper column and put the dots exactly one below another. Start adding the amounts from the right. First add the paise, then the rupees. Alright girls, so now time for think and answer. Number 1. Add rupees 830.80 plus rupees 150.15. Number 2. Add rupees 62.55 and rupees 179.70. Number 3. Add rupees 45.50, rupees 32.00 and rupees 30.10. Number 4. Add rupees 32.45 plus rupees 29.60 plus rupees 15.75. Number 5. Add rupees 27.30 plus rupees 156.80. Number 6. Convert into paise. Rupees 9 and 85 paise. Number 7. Convert into rupees and paise. 925 paise. Alright girls, hope you have enjoyed the class, and girls, please do practice it many times till you get all correct. Alright, and you please do the sums from your exercise as well. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.